How to use the Write for Me tool in Simplified AI to create compelling content effortlessly. First, click the link provided in the description below to open Simplified AI. Once the page loads, log in to your existing account or sign in using your Google account for a seamless experience. Now, on the dashboard, navigate to the Templates tab located in the left side corner of your screen. Next, let's search for the Write for Me tool. Type Write for Me into the search bar and the tool will show up below, then click it. In this window, you can input what you would like the AI to write for you. Let's say, for example, we want AI to create a captivating YouTube introduction. Just simply type it. Make sure to activate the Advanced Options button. Here you can set the number of results you want, the creativity level of the AI, and the language preference. Once you've set your preferences, simply click the Generate button to let the AI work its magic. And there you have it. As you can see, the AI provides accurate and creative content based on your specific requirements. If you need to create more content, such as an outro, simply ask the AI again to generate it. Don't forget to activate the Advanced Options and click Generate. Once you are satisfied with what the AI has written, you can now click the Open in Editor button to proceed to the next step. Here, you can place the generated introduction and outro into the document for editing and finalization. To do that, simply locate the text created by AI on the right side of your screen and click the plus icon to add it to the document. Now, you have full control over the generated content. Feel free to edit and finalize the text according to your preferences and creative vision. Once your masterpiece is ready, you can easily share it by clicking the Share button located in the top right corner of your screen. And finally, to download your work, click the Export button, also located in the top right corner of your screen. Select the desired format, click Download, and save it to your preferred location.